This video is on Ingenuity Dream Comfort Swing Assembly. This Ingenuity Dream Comfort Enlightened Cradling Swing is a popular baby swing, but boy, how to put together Ingenuity Enlightened Swing cannot be more confusing. Anyway, I will cover Ingenuity Dream Comfort Swing how to assemble step by step, and I finished the video with Ingenuity Dream Comfort Swing batteries as well as Ingenuity Dream Comfort Swing power cord, and I start right now. Let's start Ingenuity Swing assembly with a quick unboxing of the product. These are the parts in the box. Make sure you have them all. I start the Ingenuity Dream Comfort Swing how to put together by assembling the swing frame. Connect these tubes to the swing with push pins. Attach the side with the circular hole, not the oval hole in.
This video is not sponsored, and I also spend lots of time making and editing this video. If you're getting value out of this video, please support us by hitting the like button, or even better, by leaving a short or one-word comment below. It is very helpful with the YouTube algorithm and also very encouraging for us. Thank you so much for watching, and let's continue with the video.
I finished the frame assembly. Now let's continue the Ingenuity 2-in-1 swing and rocker assembly by putting together the rocker. Let's attach the Ingenuity Enlightened Cradling Swing cover by disconnecting the seat buckles. The first option to power the Ingenuity Swing and Rocker is to plug it into an outlet. This is the Ingenuity Swing power cord in case you want to replace it. You will save a lot on batteries if you use Ingenuity Dream Comfort Swing power cord, and honestly the only trade-off is a little bit of inconvenience as you have to be close to an outlet. The second option is to use batteries. This gives you flexibility if you want to take the swing to the yard or patio. So what kind of batteries does the Ingenuity Baby Swing use? You need 4D or LR20 batteries. The batteries are not included. I put a link to the battery types in the description below the video to make sure we have the right Ingenuity Swing batteries. Open the Ingenuity Swing and Rocker battery compartment by inserting a screwdriver into the slot on the top of the swing. Insert 4D or LR20 cell batteries. It's okay to skip this if you plan to plug the swing into an outlet and avoid Ingenuity Swing and Rocker batteries replacement. Lastly, I covered the vibration unit of the Ingenuity Baby Swing. It has a vibration unit to comfort your little one. Let's see the battery for Ingenuity Swing vibration unit. The battery compartment is here under the seat. You can only power this with the battery and the battery is not included. Remove battery lead. Insert 1C or LR14 battery. I put a link to the battery below the video. Replace the lead. Here is the vibration unit. By the way, I have other videos on assembly and disassembly of this Ingenuity Dream Comfort Enlighten Cradling Swing. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.